said you tryna kick.
Second layer of Bondo. Gonna let this dry for till tomorrow. Come back and sand it down. Took off the fucking clutch thing, clutch masters, and I'm gonna take this shit off. A lot of work. For the fuel line, the feed line, -6, stock return, shit like that. So I gotta figure out a headlight situation, because this one fucking ripped off, because I was pulling something and it was caught on there up fucking tight. So yeah, so stay tuned for more, guys. You see the Nike slippers? Yep, back to work. Got my assistant here helping me, because supposedly I don't know how to sand. He knows how to sand better than me.
Let's see, give me a new sheet of paper. Hey, look.
I saw your picture before, but yeah, this shit is laid down. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's just supposed to take all the holes out. So we're back to business with this car. Is Teddy swapped?
Chicken pox busting, nigga. Yeah. I was about to curse you out for a second, bro.
No cursing.
I was about to say, bro, don't tell me this is the fucking white paint. Here, who's that black thing? This is? Yo. Where was it at? Queens. And even flashing yellows.
This is how you know he's working.
What is this?
This nigga's always with his crack out. This is how you know he's working. Type R pussy block. Yeah, this is my first Type R I've been in. I never been in one. Yeah, nigga just lost value. Oh man, this feels right.
You're supposed to be shaking paint.
This feels right. Nah, he's throwing the fucking paint on. It's not supposed to be perfect, so that was, yeah.
That ain't what the fuck it was.
Oh, look at that.
Bring this puppy back to life.
Yeah, so this is my mechanic, Teddy Tech.
Dad, call me Poppy Tech when my girl's not around. No, I'm joking, babe.
I'm not calling you that.
I'm joking, babe.
Fuck that.
She don't wash
This is
it,
white.
nigga.
Well, I'm getting a big wash Monday.
Guys, just so you know, we only... Yeah. It's only going to be like that because that gets covered, so it's not perfect.
Yeah.
So before you guys start commenting, oh, look how ugly it came out. That gets covered with a motor mount bracket.
Let this shit be ugly, but this shit gonna fuck y'all niggas up. Fuck out of here, dude. Oh shit, I'm not supposed to be cursing. Oh my god, I'm shooting a video. This bitch is shrimp. Hold on. But this is amazing. This shit came out as one. The sound editing. No dry ice needed. See the other side in this. Let's see. Hey, beautiful. Anyways, yep. Finished with today. Finish it with some good ass food. Thanks, babe. Yeah. Fucking lot of work done today. Just waiting for more parts. As soon as those parts comes in, start putting the motor together. Fucking bad boy sitting right there. Need a rock out or something. Yo, see ya. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, please. Appreciate it. See ya.